Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. Today I saw a lot of people on discoveries talking on how they have lost their money through pay to pay, and in the recent couple of days I saw a lot of very many people on my inbox asking me on how they can recover their money after losing it through pay to pay. And it seems most of the people lose money in the same trick. So I'm going to give you this trick so that you don't become a victim of the same trick. So for you who don't know how to use pay to pay, just go in this very channel, you look on how you can use it in a proper way so that you don't be scammed. So once you're on pay to pay, the first thing that you are going to do, you look for that person who has the same category of money, and in most cases put your money here. Let's say right now I need to transfer like 200,000. So I will search for that person who can categorically transfer that amount. So once I have got that person, I see his limit and the maximum and the payment methods, of course. So once I've got that person automatically, so I'll go on buy. So once you've reached here, you put the amount automatically now you want to pay. Let's say the amount was 200,000. So you will say I want to buy USDT. So this is where you're going to find this trick. Most of the people fall under victim because of this trick. So when you come here, the order is created. Please wait for system confirmation. The first thing that you have to do, remember the first step is transfer payment to seller. The seller who is selling you crypto. So you have to transfer your amount to that seller on this very number. So they will give you the order time. This time, order will be automatically cancelled by system and timed out once this time is out. And this person lost over 20k in US dollar. After sending the amount, then he waited for a seller to release. After this person transferring the amount, she did not notify the seller. She waited that maybe the seller was going to release crypto to her, but the seller never knew exactly which person was going to sell to, or maybe he wanted to scam her. So what happened here? When this time timed out, automatically the system cancelled the order and this person lost her money just in a simple way. So please make sure before you use pay to pay, at least go in this very channel or make research, ask Binance. There is a video on how you can use pay to pay in a very good way. Once you have transferred your payment, might be using bank, using any system that you have agreed with the seller, please notify him or her. Just down here, notify him or her that I have sent my money and I want my crypto on my account. So this seller will be ready. And if still you get the same problem, also there is another alternative. So if you have already paid your money, but the order expires or the system automatically cancels it without receiving your money, the first issue here, you're going to contact the person whom you send the money. If at all that person fails to respond in time, please still you can go on Binance and make sure after sending the money, please follow your money. Go on Binance. Also, you can call that person. There is other contacts where you can get him. Still, call him. If at all he fails to respond in time, go on Binance or contact the customer service, which is Binance. The last part of it, when maybe you are a seller, you want to sell your crypto and get cash on any payment method that you have agreed. Never release cryptocurrency before actually receiving the payment. Do not trust anyone who asks you to release crypto before the payment. Please check your bank account carefully and make sure you have received the full amount. You should not pay or accept payments from third-party accounts. Immediately report Binance if you detect scammers. So this is an official post from Binance. You have to understand exactly what to do before you use pay to pay. So hope you have understood, guys. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. Bye for today. Good luck.